Being out for you, this is Storm Team 8.
And I'm starting out here in the 24-hour tracking center. We have dry conditions across all of West Michigan right now. Some of us have even seen just a little bit in the way of sunshine so far this morning. However, that is going to be relatively short-lived, and I don't think we're going to be looking at a whole lot of sun as we head through the rest of today. With that being said, a little peek here and there is certainly possible. Let's take this full so I can actually do a little bit of tracking for you on the precipitation that we're going to see. And you can see it still well to our south. What I want to do is pull out my tracking tool after I stop this. It's moving to the north very, very slowly. But this little area right here, if it can creep its way into the far southern corner, that's still 6.5 hours away. So getting close to about 7 o'clock tonight before we even see the chance for really any precipitation across the area. And whatever we see is going to be on the light side, probably coming in the form of drizzle, but I can't completely rule out a little bit of some snow trying to mix in. You see a little bit of that blue showing up there, but this is part of a huge storm system. This is what caused the blizzard conditions in parts of eastern Colorado and Kansas, but as this whole system moves to the east, the majority of it is going to stay to our south, and it's also going to be slowly weakening. So that being said, a little bit of drizzle is possible here later on tonight into tomorrow morning. Maybe as we go into the day tomorrow, a good day to catch up on some of that Christmas cookie making now that many of the kids are out of school here for Christmas break. A few snow showers are possible as we head into Thursday, into Friday, and some flurries. But at this point, really doesn't look like much of that is going to accumulate. So I have to say, while the chance for a white Christmas is not zero, it's pretty low, more so in the form of probably about 15 or 20%, something we'll watch closely here over the next several days. Right now, temperatures holding in the low to mid 30s. These are going to top out in the upper 30s to right around 40 this afternoon. Winds making it feel just a touch cooler. Wind speeds right now out of the southeast at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, but these winds coming out of the east are actually acting to dry out the air mass a little bit, so that's going to delay the onset of any of that precipitation to our south. So here's how it looks in the 24-hour forecast. This is 6 p.m. tonight. Temps still holding in the mid to upper 30s. Cloud deck is in place, and notice there's maybe a flurry here, light rain shower, but once we get to midnight, that's when we start to see this area of rain trying to move its way to the north. Could be a little bit of a snow mix, especially overnight and early tomorrow morning. Any of this that we see, though, is going to be really light. Cannot completely rule out a slick spot on the roadways as you travel off to work tomorrow morning. And then by the noon hour, scattered light rain showers, a little bit of patchy drizzle, with those temperatures eventually making it into the upper 40s. All of this clears off to the east by tomorrow evening. Wednesday evening into the first part of Thursday looks dry. Then Thursday afternoon, we could see some light snow showers or flurries with a weak clipper system trying to come through. A little bit of light lake effect snow is possible here on Friday. And then again, maybe the chance for just a couple of snow showers on Saturday. But as we look at any one of those three chances for snow, not overwhelming amounts. We're lacking moisture, just not the best setup to see accumulation, at least not area-wide. So I know a lot of people want the white Christmas. It looks really nice, kind of helps get in the spirit. But at the same time, the drier we keep those roads, the better the travel conditions are, not only for driving but also flying. Yeah, great for driving around here. Not so much in the panhandle of Texas, though. Yeah, they will have a white Christmas. We can say this. Dodge City, Kansas, they are going to have a white Christmas. It's just amazing. Normally the weather's a little bit flip-flop. We're the ones who are getting no snow, and they're the ones watching us in warmer weather. And frequently these storms that start in Texas and Kansas actually do come up to the Ohio River Valley and usually end up giving us some snow. But this one, just not enough moisture left over and taking a track a little bit too far south. All right, thank you, Laura.